having your head down. Thank you, Cameron. Thank you, Antonio, Asia, Red Table. Actually, I think everybody might have their heads down right now. All right, so in small groups, you guys can go ahead and put your heads up. In small groups, we were working through our I can statements of I can determine the measure of a missing angle using an addition or a subtraction problem. And so you guys were given extra practice. We started it yesterday and we used our manipulatives to look at different angles. Today we used the visual with our colors and we colored it in. And so now I'm going to have us just do some more practice. And a lot of times it helps for you guys to hear someone else explain how to do something. You guys hear me explain to you how to answer problems a whole bunch, but a lot of times hearing it from multiple people, Brayden, I need you to put that down and have a seat. Hearing it from multiple people, and especially hearing it from your peers, might make it click. So you guys are gonna get turns to come up and answer one of these problems. And as you do it, just like I do, I'm going to have you explain to the class. Brayden, I've asked you once to put those away. You're going to explain to the class, just like I do, how you came to that answer. What did you do and how did you know that that was the answer? Does that make sense? Antonio, you have a question? I do not, but we'll find it a little later. All right, Antonio. Okay, boys, just leave the pencil alone. Have a seat. All right, so raise your hand if you would like to come up and answer the first one for us. Antonio, why don't you come up here and work and explain to us how you're answering this first problem. So read the problem to us. And then explain how you're answering it.
What is the measure of angle A?
All right, come show us, work it out, and talk to us as you work it out what you're doing. You guys share with your class how you're figuring it out. Miss K's class. I should be able to talk to another adult and know that my class is doing what they're supposed to. All right? All right, Antonio, explain to us what you just did.
35 plus 20 give you this whole thing.
Okay, so he knew that he needed to find the whole. And so he saw that he had two parts. Antonio, how did you know? Let me have the marker. How did you know you were trying to find the whole? And that you had two parts. How did you know that?
35 is that, 20 is that.
Alright, so he saw, do y'all see this arch?
Yes.
So this arch is 35. 35 sits next to it. Absolutely.
It's both numbers are behind the line. You gotta add them up. And it's one like.
Oh, don't tell us that one. Someone else is going to tell us that one.
What?
This one's just yours.
Oh.
So he said he sees this arch and 35 is within that arch, so he knows that that's a part. He saw this arch and he saw that 20 is within it, so he knew that was a part, which is going to give him this whole big angle, which is 55. Thank you very much, Antonio. Someone else please come up and help us explain. No, you've already done put your hand down. Robert, come do number 2 for us. Talk it out to us. Explain to us what you're doing.
There you go.
Explain it to us.
It's 90 minus.
All right, Antonio, please do not yell anything out. This is Robert, and he is the one explaining to us. Robert, explain to us what you did.
90 take away 30.
90 take away 30. Okay, why did you do 90 take away 30? away his part, and it gave you what, Robert?
What B?
It gave you 30. That was B, this other part. Thank you, Robert. All right, next person to come up and do number 3. Antonio, you've already told me to get that. And I've told you you're not doing another. Asia, come up. Nope. Asia, come up and do number 3 for us. All right, Asia, make sure you're explaining to us what you did and why you do it. Antonio. I'm sorry? Well, here, if you talk to us what you're trying to do right now, maybe we can help you. Okay, why 108 minus 90? Explain your reasoning. So we're looking for C, and in order to get C, we have to do what? We take away, what is this? Is it a whole or a part? We take a part away from the whole. So that's what you're doing here. You're taking a part away from the whole to find another part. Well, that's all right. You can correct it. What do you have to tell me?
If it's a number outside the line, then if it's a number outside the line, then it's a number inside the arch, then you minus it. If it's 2 numbers inside the arch, then you add them. Hey, don't worry. What'd you get? Take 2.
All right, so she has 108 minus 90 equals what? 18. All right, so we can check ourselves. This is one that took some math to figure it out. How can I check that 18 is the correct angle there? How can I check that? Now, what can she do? All right, 90 plus 18. Asia, if you do 90 plus 18, what does that give me? So we're correct. Very good. All right, number 4. Elijah, come do number 4. All right, Elijah, explain what you're doing and why you're doing it. You don't know how to do it. All right, let's help.
Wait. I know the answer.
All right, so Elijah, let's start here. 95 is a what? A part or a whole?
Part.
It's a part. This is D. We're looking for D. Is D a part or a whole? You think this is the whole angle here?
No.
Yeah, so this is a part and this is a part. You should not be having side conversations right
Is
there.
the whole thing obtuse?
The whole thing is obtuse. So I have this is an angle, a part.
180.
This is a part. So this is my whole. So my whole equals what, Elijah? 180. So how am I going to figure out what D equals? Explain to us how to figure out what D equals.
95 plus 85.
Well, how did you even, like, imagine that Miss K can't do that math in her head.
Good, 180 is right. This angle.
Okay, so I have 180, and what can I do to 180 to get D? Instead of adding 95, I can minus 180 minus 95. So if I have 180 minus 95, work it out for us, show us, prove to us that that equals 85. All right.
That's not proof.
Show me that 95 plus 85 equals 180. Check yourself. Check your work. 95?
95 plus 85?
Show me.
No, 95 plus 49.
Alright, let him work it through.
This way.
That's fine. Alright, very good. Thank you a lot. Alright. Thumbs up if you feel you're getting this, and that if we moved on tomorrow, you feel like you'd be pretty good. Finger in the middle if you're like, I think I kind of got it, but I still have a little bit of struggle. Thumbs down if you really feel you want to stay working on this.
Miss Kay, can we eat here today?
Looking good, looking good. All right, thank you very much. Go ahead and put your heads down. Show me you're ready for writing. What?